Welcome to this tutorial on the YouTube TV price increase and potential alternatives in 2025. As of recent announcements, YouTube TV has raised its monthly subscription fee, leaving many users searching for more affordable options. First, let us understand the reasons behind the price hike. The main factors contributing to this increase are the rising costs of content licensing and the expansion of YouTube TV's channel lineup. Despite the price increase, YouTube TV still offers a wide range of channels, including local networks, sports, and news, making it a popular choice among cord cutters. However, for those looking for alternatives, there are several options available. One of the most popular alternatives is Hulu with Live TV, which offers a similar channel lineup to YouTube TV at a competitive price point. Another option is Sling TV, which provides a more customizable experience, allowing users to choose from various channel packages. Other alternatives include AT&T TV Now, Philo, and Fubo TV, each with its unique features and pricing. For example, Philo is a more budget-friendly option, focusing on entertainment and lifestyle channels, while Fubo TV is geared towards sports fans, offering a wide range of sports channels. When choosing an alternative to YouTube TV, consider your viewing habits and priorities. If you are a sports fan, Fubo TV may be the best choice. If you are looking for a more affordable option with a focus on entertainment channels, Philo could be the way to go. In conclusion, while the YouTube TV price increase may be a setback for some users, there are plenty of alternatives available in 2025. By understanding your viewing needs and exploring the various options, you can find a streaming service that fits your budget and provides the channels you want to watch. Remember to always compare prices and features before making a decision, and consider taking advantage of free trials to test out a service before committing to a subscription.